What is loneliness? Loneliness is actually a little bit of a subjective thing. You decide whether or not you feel lonely, which makes it a little bit different from other health conditions because you get to decide whether or not you feel lonely. And that subjectiveness is really important. Just because somebody is more social doesn't mean they're not lonely. Just because somebody's less social doesn't mean they are. You could have people who spend very little time with other people and they're perfectly happy with that. And you could have people, and I've been in this position, where you have super social lifestyle, where you're going out all the time, you've got a lot of connections, and you still feel super lonely. What's the deal with that? Well, I see it as being about a sense of connection. Just because you have relationships doesn't necessarily mean you feel a strong sense of connection to yourself, to the environment around you, to other people. And so what I'm exploring with Belongfulness is understanding, what does it mean to feel the opposite of lonely? How can we cultivate this sense of belonging in ourselves so that we can share it and practice it? And so I've actually identified 11 different aspects of feeling belonging, and we're going to go into that in another video. But if we start with what is loneliness and understand why we feel the way we do, it gives us a pathway to figure out how to get out of it and how to start feeling better and how to support other people who might be feeling lonely around us as well. But if you are feeling lonely, you are far, far, far from alone. This is a huge, huge, huge issue. Millions of people, 120 million Americans experiencing severe loneliness right now. So you're far from alone, and we're going to be talking about exactly what you can do about it.